How to update PlayStation and games. Not everyone plays their PS4 online or even has it hooked up to the Wi-Fi, but updating your console will increase the performance and reduce the risk of it overworking itself and overheating. 1. Select Settings from your top menu on the main screen of your PS4. It will resemble a briefcase. 2. Select System Software Update. 3. Select Check for Updates. 4. If there is an update, select Install Update. If there is not an update, it will notify you. Now, when it comes to games, you want to make sure those are up to date as well. Even if the console is up to date, the games might be running on updates that will cause the system to overwork itself. 1. On the main menu of your PS4, highlight the game in question. 2. Press the Options button located on your controller. 3. Scroll down the Options menu and select Check for Update. 4. If there is an update, select Install Update. If there is not an update, it will notify you. Most PlayStations are set to automatically update a game when connected to the internet, but this is how you can check for the proper updates. How to check and delete memory from the Settings menu. 1. Select Settings from your top menu on the main screen of your PS4. It will resemble a briefcase. 2. Select Storage. 3. If you are looking at the space on an external hard drive, select Extended Storage. 4. To delete content, press the Options button on your controller and press Select. You may have a ton of screenshots, saves, and more. Decide which ones you don't need anymore and clean out your system.